Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Trapti Parekh, legal intern at Lexis and Company. First of all, this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement, or the sole purpose of this video is only educational purpose. In this video, I will talk about a current legal news that Gujarat High Court reserved judgment on maintainability of police challenging liquor prohibition and said, does right to privacy include right to drink alcohol? The Gujarat High Court on Wednesday reserved order to the maintainability of a bench of petition challenging the prohibition on the manufacture, sale and consumption of liquor in the statewide the Gujarat Prohibition Act 1949 on the ground of manifest arbitrary and violation of right to privacy. A division bench of Chief Justice Vikram Nath and Justice Viren Vaishnav reserved the order that hearing both the sides over a course of 3 days. The state had raised preliminary objection to the challenge and stated that the High Court cannot sit in the appeal over the Supreme Court's decision in the state of Bombay and ANR versus FN Valsara, where validity of Section 12, Section 13 of the Act prohibition and manufacture, sale and consumption of liquor was upheld. Advocate General Kamal Trivedi argued that a new ground of challenge, even on the basis of approach made in later decision of Supreme Court, are not available. The petitioner, however, contended that the challenge to the legislation before the Supreme Court was only to the limited extent of medical and toilet preparation. It was stated that question of validity of prohibiting consumption of alcohol was not decided by the Supreme Court, and it is in the context that the Gujarat High Court is competent to advocate. Today, Advocate Mihir Joshi argued that the Supreme Court had itself noted the judgment that restriction imposed by the legislation sections on the right of citizen to possess, sell or consume alcohol was not disputed before the court. It is in the view of the directive principle of state policy. Joshi argued that a new right to privacy under the generic umbrella of Article 21, which was conferred on the citizen in 2017. Therefore, all the Supreme Court has no occasion to be deemed to have heard in the matter of 1951. The Joshi submitted that the constitutional rights are not the issue which the state should insist to be thrown out at the shoal. In this case, will examine whether the right to privacy recognized in 2017 include the choice of intoxicating drinks. This cannot be held to have been answered in the negative judgment of 1955. Joshi has linked the right to privacy with the citizen right to eat and drink as per the choice and remarked, "What's to stop the state from coming into our home and saying non-veg from tomorrow?" The advocate asked. He argued that the right to life under Article 21 can be regulated by the procedure established by the law, and the Prohibition Act is the procedure. He conceded that the law in general is dynamic and may require reconsideration at times in context with changing dynamic of the society. However, the same has to be done before a forum that declared the law was valid. Trivedi repeatedly argued that Supreme Court has decided the validity of the Act as a whole in the Balsara judgment, and therefore the High Court is bound by under Article 141. He said that the top court not only examined the act from point of view of legal competitors, but also touched Article 14 and Article 19(1)(f) in its judgment, and finally held that the restriction imposed by the Prohibition Act are reasonable. At last, the state has raised preliminary objection to the challenges. It stated that the High Court cannot sit in appeal over the Supreme Court decision in state of Bombay versus FN Bansara, where validity of the 1949 Act was upheld. So I hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.